Have you ever been in a situation where you need to quickly pay a friend back for lunch, split a dinner bill, or send money to a family member, and you just don't have cash on hand? In today's fast-paced world, relying on paper checks or even waiting for an ACH transfer to clear just doesn't cut it. That's where Zelle comes in. And if you bank with Chase, you're in luck because Zelle is seamlessly integrated into their mobile app, making it incredibly simple to send and receive money right from your phone. No extra app downloads, no fuss. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Zelle with your Chase account so you can transfer money instantly and securely. First, you'll need to be enrolled in Zelle through Chase. If you've never used it before, it's a simple one-time setup. Just open the Chase mobile app, tap on Pay and Transfer, and then select Send Money with Zelle. You'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions and link a U.S. mobile number or email address. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, to send money, it's just a few easy steps. Again, go to the Pay and Transfer menu and tap Send Money with Zelle. You'll then choose a recipient from your contacts or add a new one using their U.S. mobile number or email. It's important to double-check this information because once the money is sent, you can't get it back if it goes to the wrong person. Next, you'll enter the amount you want to send and select the Chase account you want to use. You can even set up recurring payments if you need to. After a quick review, you'll tap Send It Now, and the money is on its way. Receiving money is even easier. If someone sends you money using your enrolled email or phone number, it will be automatically deposited into your linked Chase checking account, often within minutes. You'll get a notification that the money has arrived, and you're good to go. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. Zelle is designed for sending money to people you know and trust, like friends and family. It's not recommended for buying things from strangers online because there's no purchase protection. Also, be aware of daily limits. Chase dynamically determines your specific Zelle limit, and you'll see it right in the app when you're setting up a payment. If you're trying to send a large sum, you might need to split it into smaller transactions over a few days. And that's it. It's a fast, fee-free, and secure way to handle payments right from your Chase app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.